Are you streaming?
No, don't skip, don't skip.
Are you streaming?
Nah.
Are you sure?
Don't skip though. Do not skip, do not skip, do not skip.
Nigga, are you actually streaming
I
or
do
what?
not skip though. If I answer, you gonna skip. Even though I already see your face, I am streaming. You can hide your face, but do not skip. I gotta talk to you.
Oh hell no.
Nah, I gotta talk to you. I gotta talk to you. Don't skip, alright?
Okay, talk to me then, nigga. Listen, what is it called? What do you stream on?
You know, like, I actually don't want to stream no more. Because the only reason I used to stream was to find a beautiful lady. And I did find her right now. So it don't even matter what I'm streaming, baby. It's all about you right now.
Are you on, like, what is it called? Twitch or what?
Now I'm on Kick. But it don't even matter, too. Because...
You're on Kick. What's your name? Tell me what's your name. Oh, hell no.
Why?
Are you famous or something?
Nah.
Are you known?
Nah, I'm not famous. I just started this.
Yeah, alhamdulillah.
Yeah, I just started this. Ain't barely people watching me. It's like barely people watching. I'm not famous at all. But what's your name, though? Hey, let's get all this out the way. What's your name?
My name's Hanan.
Hanan?
What's your name?
Hanan?
Yeah.
You got some pretty eyes.
Nigga, I can't do this. Bye.
Hold on.
And why are you... Okay, listen. Why are you in Kenya streaming?
Why not? Is Kenya not good?
Nigga, you should be grinding, trying to go back, not streaming.
Is streaming not part of grinding?
Or are you from Kenya?
Wait, hold on. You got an accent, though.
Are you from Kenya or what?
You got an accent. Where you from?
I got an accent?
Yeah, what part of... You from the state or you from Kenya?
I'm from the States. Are you from the States or what?
Yeah, I'm from the state. What part? Bro, come on, man. What part?
You probably, Nebraska.
Nebraska? So, Nebraska?
Yeah.
If I say something, you're going to skip. I'm from Omaha.
Omaha?
Yeah.
You're lying.
Yeah.
You're lying. You know Sasu City?
Yeah. When you going to be back?